Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today I am going to show you how to remove age restrictions on the YouTube app. Let's get started. First, open up the YouTube app on your phone. And now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, so once you're here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now you have to simply tap on General. And now you have to swipe down, and here you will see option of restricted mode. Simply toggle this off. This will disable restricted mode, which filters out potentially mature content. If you still encounter age restrictions, go back to the settings menu and tap on Google account. Okay, so now navigate to the personal info tab. And make sure your birth date is accurate. If needed, update it to reflect your actual age. And that's it. You have successfully removed age restrictions on the YouTube app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.